How many days it takes for a YouTube video to rank? Mostly common question asked by many YouTubers, and here I am today to solve your important question. Therefore, please go ahead and watch this video until the last word because I am sure it will benefit you very highly. So, friends, let's begin without wasting any time. My first question: how many days it takes for a YouTube video to rank? In short, 3 months or even more or even less. It all depends on search volume. As long as your keyword is searched by many visitors and if your video pops up, then boom, your video will rank. Next question: how do I rank my YouTube video quickly? Well, if you are in a hurry to rank your video, then my friend, you got to work a little bit more here. Firstly, your video description should be at least 250 words long. Secondly, include your keywords within the first 25 words, for example, in the first sentence. And then next, again, a very important SEO factor: repeat your keyword 3 to 4 times in the description. This is very important, bhai. Now you will ask me how long it takes YouTube SEO to rank. Well, about 4 to 6 months to start seeing results. But if you're gonna put in your hard work, then it can work much earlier. Now, another important question: how long does it take for YouTube views to show up? You must have seen already that it takes approximately every 24 to 48 hours. It does not update instantly. And here is a top question for this video: how do you get 1000 subscribers on YouTube?
How do you get 1000 subscribers on YouTube? Here are very valuable tips. Aim first 100 subscribers within 15 days. Make your target. Next, 200 subscribers in 1 month, and so on. Most important, remember, keep publishing your videos consistently or your views will go down rapidly, so maintain that consistency. Add YouTube subscribers button to your videos. Identify which videos attract the most subscribers. Place a YouTube subscribers link in video descriptions. Do a YouTube collab to reach new viewers. Can a YouTube video go viral later? Yes, even a dead video that is hardly giving you any views can go viral, so keep this in mind. How do you get 1K views on YouTube? How to get more views on YouTube? Create compiling content. Encourage viewers to subscribe. Create playlists to keep people watching. Promote other videos with end screens and cards. Make sure your videos are embedding enabled. Promote your videos on other social channels. Now here is my last question and answer. How do new YouTubers get views? Each time a viewer intentionally initiates the playing of a video on their device and watches it for at least 30 seconds, that counts as a view. Pretty simple. If you play your own video, that will be counted as a view. If a viewer watches your video more than once, each screening will be counted as a new view. So this is how you can generate views. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate you guys. Take care and bye-bye. Bye-bye and hit that button please.